How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to manually install a plugin in WordPress using Cpanel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So there's actually a reason why this is so easy to do and integrate, and that's because of the tool called WordPress Toolkit. And to show you guys what I mean, here's what it looks like. Bit of a preview. So what it is an integration in Cpanel that allows you to configure your WordPress site, your WordPress domains, as well as the network settings. So here you're able to configure stuff like the name servers, the plugins, you guys name it, the users that are registered, database, themes, and whatnot. So the first thing that you guys are going to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into both your WordPress account as an administrator as well as Cpanel. So here's what it looks like. Now, the first step here is to access the WordPress toolkit on the Cpanel application. Now, I actually don't have the application, but I do have a couple of illustrations and images showing you guys the interface. So once you guys open the Cpanel application, there should be an option in the dashboard called the WordPress toolkit. So it's right there right away. So you simply need to click on it. And from here, you would want to click on plugins. Now, they should take you to a new page that looks a little something like this. And what you guys would essentially want to do from here is click on the install button right here. So you want to click on it, simply click on it. And then Cpanel or WordPress actually has a list of supported apps or external APIs or third-party tools that can be integrated with both Cpanel and WordPress. So it looks like this. The list will actually pop up. So from here, you just want to type in the search bar the plugin that you're trying to install, that you want to integrate to WordPress as well. And when you guys find it, simply want to click on it and download. And once you have that going for you want to install it, and that's honestly it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.